Hi there, this is Indresh, and in this video let us do unboxing of a lavalier microphone, which is also called as a collar microphone by BOYA M1. Before get started, if you are new here, I make the videos everything related to tech. So what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing by turning on bell icon to all so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's move on to unboxing. On the box it says BOYA lavalier microphone, and if you see this sticker, you get a silver strap on this 16-digit code where you have to scratch it and scan this QR code using Google Lens. It will take you to the official website of BOYA where you can verify your product details. This blue strap it says super sound for presentation and video recording by BOYA M1. Coming to the left corner bottom it says compatible with smartphone, tablet, laptop, cameras and amplifiers. Coming to the left side it says for a smartphone, cam recorders, DSLR Audio Recorders PC etc. by M1. Here it says lavalier microphone. Coming to the right side it says BOYA Pro Audio Series. At the back it has some of the features and specifications. You can pause this video and read for yourself. Coming to the pricing details. Here it says 1995 rupees, but I brought this from Amazon for 840 rupees, and I will leave my affiliating link in the description box. You can check it out. Now let us quickly unbox and check it. Things you get in the box: microphone with this leather pouch and user manual and a warranty card. Before using this microphone, go through this user manual. Now let me keep this to the side and check what inside in this pouch. A silica gel and microphone, 1/4" pin LR44 battery and windscreen foam and clip holder to attach this microphone to your collar. And this cable length is around 6 meters, which is quite decent. This is the clip holder to the microphone, and this is the 1/4" pin. You can connect this microphone to the amplifiers using this 1/4" pin by inserting this 3.5 mm jack inside this. Let me keep aside. And this is the brain of the microphone, where you need to install the cell in this. Yeah, now I have attached this clip to this microphone and a windscreen too. This is how it looks. So you can see how long is this cable. It's quite enough to move around and make a videos like in a room space. Now let me connect this microphone to my smartphone and show you how the voice quality is. Right now I am using my smartphone's internal microphone. It has 3 microphones, still it lacks with the quality of the sound. So that is the reason why I purchased this microphone. Yeah, now I connected my smartphone with this external microphone. So check the audio quality earlier and now. Where earlier I have to speak louder, but not now. Now I am speaking with my normal voice. So check my audio quality and let me know in the comment box. How is my audio quality earlier with my smartphone's internal 3 microphones and now with this external microphone. And I will be doing a dedicated video on this external mic where I will be showing how to connect this external mic with your smartphones by just plugging in 3.5 mm jack. It doesn't connect with your smartphones. There are certain settings that you should do with your smartphone before connecting your smartphone with this external mic. So this is the unboxing video of this lavalier microphone by BOYA M1. So do like this video and thanks for watching.